Hello, this is Crystal with Crystal G Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for joining. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am doing my Erin Condren Sticker Club subscription unboxing. And again, I have seen previous reviews from other planners, and I don't know, to be quite honest, this may be my last Sticker Club subscription because the way I see it, it just seems like the holiday stickers that I really liked kind of ran its course. So I'm not sure if I really want to continue the Sticker Club subscription, but yeah. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing. So let's see. These are get this out of this envelope here. Okay. So right here, so I know they have this card. So of course, when you sign up to be part of the Erin Condren Sticker Club subscription, they'll give you this rack card, and of course, from I heard that this may be the final one, but not too sure if this is the final one of this year, or maybe they're done with it for good. So of course, they give you this card that says, "Thank you for subscribing to the Sticker Subscription Club," and it says, "While this is our final Sticker Club Subscription Club shipment, we hope you continue to embrace the art of stickering with our new seasonal stickers, custom gift labels, sticker books, and fan favorites, and so much more at erincondrensticker.com/stickers." So yeah, I'm guessing this is the final Sticker Club subscription shipment. I mean, I really love the decoration of the monthly stickers because one, I like art and everything. So I'm guessing this is probably the last one. And of course, if you do receive this subscription, they want you to share it on your social media with the hashtag EC Sticker Club. And of course, I think with this last one, they want you to, of course, type in /Erin Condren. So right now, I guess this is the last one. So this is my final video for this one. So for this one, it says it has 567 exclusives and first ever stickers with 20 sticky notes, 1 exclusive clear metallic circle sticker sheets, 1 sticker sheet, 1 exclusive jumbo circle sticker sheet, 2 exclusive scratch off quote sticker sheets, 2 exclusive reminder washi sticker sheets, 1 exclusive glitter event sticker sheet, 1 exclusive large confetti shaker sticker, and 1 exclusive urgent sticky notepad. So this is what it has. So here is the sticky notepad, and of course it's in the shape of a hexagon, pentagon. I'm just really good with these kind of shapes. I'm guessing it's a hexagon. So here is the sticky notepad here. Yeah, this is a nice notepad. I could use this for something. And here are the, okay, which one is this? These are the circles. So these are jumbo circle sticker sheets here. Here are the clear metallic circles. I guess, well, you can post them like on your yearly calendars for like important events and holidays. Here is the confetti. No, that's not it. No, it's the washi sticker sheets. It's the washi sticker sheets. I guess these what these are. No, I think these are the glitter event sticker sheets. Something maybe. And here are the reminder. Here are the reminder. Wait, yeah, I think these are the glitter event sticker sheets. No, the reminder washi sticker sheets. It's hard to tell which ones are these, but I really like these reminders though. Nice and glittery. Of course, if you put them in the light, you'll see like this rainbow ombre reflection. So we got one like, you know, I'll call it a Times New Roman font and script. It's really cute. And here we got more of the circles here. Oh, here's the shaker here. It says balloon. I'm not sure if I want to put this on my latest planner. I might. I don't know. So here are the, here's the back of this. It says, oh yeah, these are the scratch off stickers. Forget scratch and sniff. We are all about scratch and inspire. Scratch off each jumbo circle sticker to reveal an inspirational quote beneath. Perfect for planner decorating, mood lifting, and energy boosting. We hope these quotes will give you a dose of motivation. I could probably use these to send to my Scentsy customers. Let me open this. I have pretty slippery fingers. That's why it's so hard to open these. So yeah, I definitely can use these to send to my Scentsy customers here. So there's 2 of these. So I'm not sure what these what these say, but yeah, definitely gonna remind myself to add one of these to my Scentsy customers. So yeah, this is pretty much what the kit looks like, and so let me go over them so I won't get mixed up. So here are the sticky notes here. These are the clear metallic circle sheets, the jumbo circle sticker sheets, the scratch off quote sticker sheets, the reminder washi sticker sheets, one exclusive glare event sticker sheet, the confetti shaker sticker, and the sticky notepad. So yeah, this is pretty much what the kit looks like. And if I know this probably will be the last Sticker Club subscription, so I guess they're probably going to end it this year. But all I gotta say is it was fun while it lasted. I actually did get a monthly sticker book that will do during my Black Friday sticker haul. So I guess I'll start using these. Probably they'll do one every year. Of course, they'll let us know since I am part of the Erin Condren Insider Club. So what is your take on this possibly last Sticker Club subscription? Do you like it? If you don't like it, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like this video, share, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, hit the notification bell whenever you want to be notified for whenever I upload my next video. Hopefully I can do my Black Friday sticker haul if all my stickers come this week, because I may be using one of them for my plan with me, my last plan with me for 2021, since we are heading into 2022. And oh, as you watch this video, this is actually the video that I'm doing the day before Christmas. So I wanted to do this quick video before I take off to spend Christmas with my family. That's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for Christmas. So like I said, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, hit the notification bell. Hope you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas. Please be safe. Of course, wear your mask. Please get vaccinated, get boosted. Have a safe Merry Christmas. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.